by Attorney Marlon Calderon. Good luck.
Okay, so ayong gabi, contestant number 7.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, before I ask the final question, here's a few instructions. I will read the question twice. The first time I will read the question, it is in the English language. And the second time I will read the same question, it is already stated in the Hiligaynon language. And you may choose to answer whether in English, in Hiligaynon, or whatever language you want to answer. Is that understood? Okay. Here is your final question, candidate number 7. Kamambugan is widely known for its rich culture and delicious native delicacies, especially the famous butong, which has become one of the pride products of the community. As a resident of this barangay, how can you help promote butong so that it will gain recognition not only in the municipality of Balasan, but also in other towns and wider communities? Again, ang Kamambugan kilala sa iyang garanon nga kultura, kag namit nga mga kakanin, labi na gid ang bantog nga butong, nga isa na subong sa ginapabugal nga produkto sa komunidad. Bilang isa ka residente sa aton nga barangay, paano mo ipakita kag mapasanyo ang butong agud nga makilala ini hindi lang sa banwa sa Balasan, kundi pati man sa iban nga banwa kag sa mas malapad nga mga komunidad.
I will showcase to the world our local food, which is the butong. Butong is a well-known kakanin in our made by one of the residents here in Kamambugan, and I can promote butong in 3 ways. One is in social media. Social media can attract thousands of people in seconds. So I will create content that showcase our authentic food. Second is to use my skills, communication skills, to tell the world the story behind our local food, and leadership skills to lead our youth to showcase to the world our local food. And last is my platform as Alinay. I will use this platform to showcase to the world that our community is worth loving and worth knowing. Thank you.